What's up, F9 people? This is the tutorial. Tutorial how to butterfly footwork. Ba't nakaganyan lang? Dapat nakatapat talaga sa... Eh di dito. Ayan. Saya na. Ganyan. Di ba talaga? Ayan, kulit. Break dance, break dance. Tapos, after nun, pag na-level 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's up, guys? This is Neck Vlog with our new camera.
We're going practice.
We're gonna walk there. Sorry na late kami. Tayo pa naman yung magtuturo, tas tayo yung late.
Hindi, kasi diba, dapat, before pa tayo makadating, dapat
like Tita Luis! Yeah! Oh my gosh! Tama.
Ako coach dito eh.
Omsim.
Mindset, guys.
Kami backup coach.
I still have a lot of chicas to tell you too. Real. Sorry.
How do you feel, guys? Are you happy with your camera? This is HD. This is 14 whatever. Ano?
Mic. Maganda mic.
Yeah. You need to buy a mic and then you'll connect it here.
Oh.
And it's 360. But the off. It's still open.
Oh.
You can touch it.
Hi. I have chica. This is Taekwondo. Take 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1. For now. Burger meal, small fries. Say hi. Orange juice.
Hi.
Hi po. Hi. Orange. May apo sa likod ko.
Oh.
So, 6 na yung magmamokterry.
My beautiful eyes, pa in love kayo.
It's your nose.
Oh.
Hi.
Paano yung mga
How do you feel right now?
Can I hiram? I wanna know. No, I just wanna know how to see it. Whoa, that's so cool! Hi!
Tsaka iced tea.
Parang siya 360, ay, 3 fish eye, tapos ano.
Okay, take 2.
Gwapo ba ako?
Medium orange juice, Mariel and Matthew.
Feel with practice,
I don't like get low.
you will. You still have to. How do you feel with practice right now?
Ayos lang.
Ayos lang. How do you feel with practice right now? Ayos lang. How do you feel with practice right now?
Struggling but I can do it.
Kaya mo yan. True. How do you feel with practice right now?
Good, di ko magawa sa puwet.
How do you feel practice right now?
Nakakapagod.
Look! Come here! Come on, baby! Come on, baby! Baby, lapit! Come on, baby! Lapit! Yan, lapit ka! Come here!
Nahulog ko sa
talk. Let it rain. Let me talk. Come on.
Hey, what it is? Same off on your face, baby, don't get twisted. Hey, too bad, place I'm going. Kasi ko sa bibig, baby, pero yung pag-ngati yung bless. Signs and do my life, I just do my life.
My thing, go get a batang M. No breaks, no falls, nasa cake. Gusto ko yung big figures, dapat meron faith. No hate, ang mahalaga makuha kahit late. Okay, stabilit, pare dapat ako lang. Gusto ng wicket, pinakadama ng chance. Pinakabilit ng mga tira niyo kumanda. Lahat kilit kapag umawsit sa mag-asa. Mag-asa. Side ko yung right foot, sasabay ka pag inangat ko yung kahit tanong kung sasakay ka ibalipat, sobrang fight din ako masinta ako mikinang sa mata nila ako kakaiba yung nakabing nagsisiwak sa bulsa ko libo-libo kung biring mo ako di mo ba rin ako mabibilog go SM di na biro mga guwapang binatilyo padating malamig no kahit check mo sa resibo okay get low tapos tutok mo mata mo sa akin wag lilet go hanggat hindi ko ba sinasabi from the get go alam ko lahat kung mangyayari aking set go laging reckless lahat walang talent
sila lahat sings with the nights cool. Kaya handadamit na malaking brand. Matigas mami umasta. Baby what you gon' do? Baby what you gon' do? Tell me what you gon' do. Hey, wait.
Let me do my thing. I mean, do your thing, let me do my thing. Move that thing, mommy, move that thing. Move that thing, mommy, move that thing. So do your thing, let me do my thing. Pump it up.
I get tripping with finesse. It don't make no sense. I get tripping with finesse. You know. I get tripping with finesse. It don't make no sense. I get tripping with finesse. You know it, you know it. Ladies, if you're